Welcome to this special video on the upcoming European elections. I will be sharing my thoughts and perspectives on what European elections mean and why students should vote and engage with them. Join me as I explore these ideas and thoughts. The European elections hold significant meaning as they represent a key aspect of democratic participation and governance within the European Union. Firstly, in terms of giving voice in decision-making, providing an opportunity to have a say in the policies and decisions that affect our lives. Policy impact on crucial issues such as climate change, economic growth, social justice, and international relations, not just for the member states, but the global community. Unity and diversity, promoting a sense of solidarity while respecting the unique identities of each member state. Shaping the future, ensuring that it evolves in ways that reflect citizens' values, aspirations, and priorities. Students should vote and engage with the European elections for several reasons, starting with the representation of youth interests, such as education, employment, digital rights, and environmental sustainability, are adequately represented. Developing political awareness, helping students to better understand the workings of the EU and the importance of active citizenship. By voting and engaging with the European elections, students can make a meaningful impact on their present and future, ensuring that their voices are heard and their interests are safeguarded. Elections are a vital exercise in democracy. Think about it and get prepared.